innovation. In my previous video, I showed how to calculate equilibrium concentration, amount adsorbed, and percent removal using effect of contact time or kinetic study. This video has been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to show you how to calculate percent removal for effect of pH. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, here is the Excel sheet. I have written the experimental condition, and here is the pH, then methylene blue 10 ppm absorbance, and then methylene blue manganese dioxide biochar composite absorbance for fast experiments. For example, I carried out experiment at pH 2.7, 4.2, and so on. And the absorbance for standard 10 ppm methylene blue solution was this. And absorbance for solution at this pH were this. So now these are the data for standard and these are the data for solution. So now how I calculated the percent removal. See here, if you click, see C12 minus C13 divided by C12 into 100. That means if you click here, so C12 is this and C13 is this. So using this equation, you can easily calculate percent removal at this pH. Then click on enter, and if you scroll to right side, then you can easily calculate other then you can easily calculate percent removal at other pH. So this is how you can easily calculate percent removal for effect of pH. Then you can plot it. For example, pH of the solution and percent removal for first experiment, percent removal for second experiment. Here I have shown. Then if you plot it, then you can get percent removal versus pH. And after modification, you can easily make it publication quality. That's for today. If you have any query, please leave your comment in the description comment box. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share.